Hi, I'm April Golightly, and I'm so excited today to share with you this awesome purse that I actually got from the Coach outlet. It's super sophisticated and it's just amazing. Let's get on to the review. If you guys like these types of videos, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll do more. Also, if you want me to go into the Coach outlet store and check it out and show you my favorite items, I definitely will do that too so you can actually see what it looks like in person. Let me know in the comments down below and also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. The hardware on this bag is amazing. I absolutely love this kind of matte finish gold, and it's pretty much everywhere. They have that lock feature on the front of it, which is really cool, and then that front pocket is anything that you need. You can easily put your phone in there and then have it locked so that it doesn't fall out. To me, the bag kind of looks like a dupe for the Hermes bag, the Hermes Kelly. I think it's really beautiful. And then you can also wear the bag as a crossbody, and the crossbody is reinforced with this gold hardware on the side here. It's really nice, and so that it doesn't rip out or anything. And you can take that part of it on and off so you don't have to have that extra handle on there. Personally, I like to put it inside the bag so that if I want to start wearing it crossbody, I can easily grab that extra handle there and make it so that it's crossbody. There's also little feet at the bottom and as well on the other side with the little Coach tab thing. And then on the top, the handle is actually reinforced into this middle part of the bag. It's really nice and absolutely gorgeous. So reinforcing these spots makes it so much easier to make the bag really stable, classy, and so you don't accidentally rip the handles off. Back in the day, I actually had this beautiful bag. I'll insert a picture here that was custom made, but the leather was very, very soft and it wasn't reinforced like it is here. And I ended up ripping the handle off. So this bag is definitely not going to happen. You can fit a lot of really heavy items in there because it isn't reinforced. And the pebble leather is a very strong, structured leather. On the interior of the bag, there's two snaps. There's one snap on the back and one snap on the front, and then there's a middle part. So there's two compartments in this bag that makes it so that you can easily put things into the bag without having to like unzip and zip the bag. But because those snaps are really, really strong, you're able to easily put things in and feel like they're reinforced and held in there. This front little pouch is actually kind of similar to the back pockets that I usually love on bags. I really want a bag to have a back pocket or a front pocket so that that's where I know my phone will be. So with this, it's really nice that it has the front pocket you can leave unlocked or locked. And then this way you can keep your phone safe. I really like it because it has like the Coach name on the top of it and also has the Coach name on the lock, which I think is really classy and really like upgraded. It's really nice. The cool thing about this bag is that you can either wear it with the top handle and on the crick of your arm, or you can wear it as a crossbody. The strap is adjustable and you can use it to wear as a crossbody or as just on your shoulder. Personally, I'm not a big shoulder fan. It's just like my shoulders kind of slope down, so it always falls off. For this, I'm 5'2" and a half, and there are three little three holes above to make it shorter. So if you're shorter than me or you want to wear it on your shoulder, you can easily do that. Also, if you're taller, there's a lot of space to make it so that the strap is longer. And also, obviously, if you're super, super tall, you can actually add some holes or have your cobbler add some holes on the bag to make it so that it works for you if you're taller. But I really like it. I really like the strap. It's significant and it holds the bag well enough with that reinforced metal so that you could put a lot into it. And then I carry that strap with me all the time so that just in case it gets super heavy throughout the day, I can easily stop wearing it or stop holding it with my hand and wear it as a crossbody. Let's talk about what fits in this beautiful bag. Online, you can actually look on the Coach website and see what actually fits inside of it with like a measurement thing. It's like shows you side by side and you can see like what fits in the bag. For me, I actually want to show you guys what I am actually able to fit inside here. First of all, I have this small pouch that I use from Stony Clover Lane, and I keep pretty much my entire bag contents in this bag so that I can go from bag to bag and easily move from one bag to the other bag. So let's see if it fits. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yay, it fits. Woohoo. So that's awesome. So it's really cool that it fits inside there so that I'm easily able to go from one bag to the other. I have the Neverfull from Louis Vuitton that I use a lot, and that pouch actually fits in that small Louis Vuitton bag. So that makes me happy. So I'm easily able to like switch out bags for this one. Let's talk about what I actually put into my bag every single day. I have these reusable grocery bags that are really awesome and that fold up into this little square. I like keeping that with me so that I don't have to get bags when I'm shopping. Then I also have these Beats headphones, some tissues, my keys, my little card wallet. Let's see what else. I put usually in, that's all fits into the front side of the bag. So let's see what fits into the back side of the bag. I have my gum, my giant gum thing. I also have this hand sanitizer spray that I like to put into my bag. Also a bottle of water. I usually use a reusable water bottle, but for here, I just wanted to show you guys this plastic water bottle. I think we got it with like a meal or something. I hate buying plastic water bottles, but you know, for you guys, because you might have it, this water bottle, I wanted to show you. So I also have this little thing that I take pictures with. It actually, let me see, without the water bottle, it fits lengthwise. I'm going to link that down below because I absolutely love that thing. It's really cool. I love to take pictures with it. If you're an influencer or even a mom, it just makes your life a little bit easier to have this around because it has a remote with it. It's really tall. It's just something I like having just in case I want to take some photos. It's really cool. And you can put your phone into it and then use the remote. I absolutely love it. And I love that it's able to actually fit into this bag. It's really cool. Anyway, you could do videos with it. I just think if you're an influencer or a mom or anybody that just loves to take pictures, group photos, this is a must-have. Even a business owner, if you're just like taking videos and stuff for as a business owner, I feel like this is really nice to have around. Also, I have my tablet in here. I also wanted to show you that my phone fits into that front pocket area really easily. So that means you could, if you have a bigger phone than me, I think I have the 13 Pro, but my husband has the 13 Max, I think, and that one's the bigger one, and that would definitely fit in here as well. I wanted to show you the beautiful differences in the color. So see, it's black on the front, and then here it's kind of this burgundy color, and then the handle is like a burgundy color. It's not very noticeable in the differences, but if you're looking for it, you'll notice it. You can kind of see on the interior, it's that darker burgundy color, burgundy brownish color. So I just wanted to share that with you. You could tell the differences in the color. I also wanted to share the measurements of the bag. This is pretty significant in size. It's 12.5 inches long, 8.5 or 8 3/4 high, and 4.5 3/4 wide. So based on these measurements, you'd think that a piece of paper would fit into it, but because of the interior having, like, you can't fit it through the top, but it would be able to fit on the bottom, if that makes sense. So the actual opening itself is a little bit smaller. So inside the bag, the top handle, it has a 4 1/4 drop, and then it has an outside open pocket, and on the inside, it has one zipper pocket and an open pocket. So I think my biggest gripe about this bag is that I thought, based on the way they show it on the website, that I would be able to fit the like a folder or something, or just like a pad, a paper pad, like an 8.5 by 11 paper pad in here. But it seems like that's not an option, at least not vertically, horizontally, but I can fit it vertically, which is fine. So if for whatever reason you need to bring a folder or something, or just a pad to a meeting, you can easily throw it into a crossbody mode and just put it into the back. So it'll fit vertically, but not horizontally, because of the way the bag kind of pucks into interior to make it like more stylish. It doesn't fit like that kind of stuff. So this is not going to fit like a laptop, unless it's like a super tiny laptop, but a normal typical like 13-inch laptop, it's not going to fit that. But the paper thing I think is fine. I might just get like a Coach, what is it, like a briefcase or like a paper holder, so that people, if I need to sign documents or if I need to have a client sign documents, then I can easily use it for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been really fun, and I absolutely love sharing my experience with these bags and this specific bag. Specifically, check out these other videos here when I'm going to the Tory Burch outlet as well.